Planning an Elk City escape? Here's where to eat, stay, and play. Welcome back to the Weekender series. This week, heritage and homestyle cooking. First up, where to eat? Roll into town around dinner time for some surf and turf at Simon's Catch. From fried or boiled shrimp to sizzling Casey's strips, Simon says you'll score the perfect catch. Now it's time to get cozy at the Bluebird Inn, nestled just off Route 66 in the heart of Elk City. Each comfy bedroom features charming decor inspired by a special woman in the owner's life. And even the bathrooms are dazzling. Enjoy the luxurious king-size beds and easy access to everything Elk City has to offer, from dining and shopping to local activities and attractions. And speaking of attractions, after a restful night's sleep, it's time to go play at the National Route 66 Museum Complex, a haven for history buffs with 5 museums in one. Snap selfies with the massive Route 66 shield sign and Kachina dolls out front. Tour an old town with replicas of a schoolhouse, opera house, doctor's office, and chapel. Explore the evolution of transportation. And walk down a history lane of the Mother Road herself. And that's a wrap, but here's a quick reminder of where to eat, stay, and play in Elk City. Okie doke, we'll see you back here for the next episode of The Weekender. Bye-bye.